Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks. Apply a powder-based foundation around your nose and cheeks. Blend evenly using a sponge. Prime your eyelids and blend gently. Put concealer on and around your eyelids. Blend with your finger or brush. Set your eyelids with powder. Apply a simple wing liner. Apply heaps of mascara. Stroke a cream-based peach blush on the apples of your cheeks. Blend it well using your fingers. Finish it off with a classic cherry red lip shade. All done! We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.